Welcome to this forgiveness practice meditation. Today we will embark on a journey of releasing resentment and guilt, offering ourselves and others the gift of forgiveness. So find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now we'll begin by centering ourselves with a few deep breaths. So breathe in slowly, feeling the air fill your lungs, and then breathe out, releasing any tension you may be holding. And again, breathe in deeply, bringing in calm and peace. And exhale, letting go of any stress or worries. So allow your breath to find a steady, natural rhythm. With each exhale, feel your body growing more relaxed, your mind becoming calm, and your heart opening gently to the process ahead. Now bring your awareness to your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. As you breathe, imagine sending warmth and relaxation to these areas. Allow yourself to soften, releasing any physical stress that may be stored within. Feel your body becoming more grounded and at ease, ready to explore the deeper layers of emotions and healing. So let's start by focusing on self-forgiveness. So take a moment to think about anything you may be holding against yourself. Mistakes, regrets, or moments when you felt you didn't live up to your own expectations. So as you bring these thoughts to mind, remember that you are human. You're imperfect. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to fall short sometimes. Now what's important is that you recognize these moments and choose to learn and grow from them. Now silently repeat to yourself, I forgive myself. I release the burden of guilt and regret. I am worthy of forgiveness and, of course, compassion. As you say these words, imagine a gentle light surrounding your heart, warming and soothing you. feel the weight of self-judgment lifting, replaced by a sense of peace and acceptance. Now we'll move on to forgiving others. Think of someone who has hurt you, or someone you've been holding resentment toward. This could be recent, or something from the past that still lingers in your heart. So as you bring this person to mind, recognize that holding on to anger and resentment only harms you. Forgiveness does not mean condoning their actions. It means freeing yourself. Now, silently repeat, "I forgive you. I release the anger and pain I've been holding." I choose peace and freedom over resentment. As you say these words, visualize the same gentle light surrounding your heart, growing stronger as you let go of this emotional burden. So let's take a moment to feel the release of resentment and guilt, like a weight lifting off your shoulders. Imagine these feelings as dark clouds that have been hanging over you. With each breath out, see these clouds dissolving, leaving behind clear, open skies in your mind and heart. As these clouds disappear, feel the space within you filling with lightness, peace, and a renewed sense of freedom. You are no longer tied to the past or to negative emotions that have weighed you down. You're free to move forward with an open heart. So to reinforce this practice, let's end with a few affirmations. So silently repeat after me. I forgive myself and others, and I embrace peace. I release all resentment and guilt, allowing love and compassion to fill my heart. I am free from the past and open to the possibilities of the present. So let these affirmations resonate within you, anchoring the feeling of forgiveness and release. So take a few final deep breaths, feeling the peace and freedom you've cultivated in this practice. Know that you can return to this space of forgiveness whenever you need to, allowing yourself to heal and grow. And when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, Maybe stretch a little, and when you feel complete, slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of forgiveness and peace with you into the rest of your day. Good work today, and namaste.